2017 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex-fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, xenon headlights, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.